you want to make your Discord server look like this, then this video is just for you. In this video, it will gonna be category for all of you how to make best like Discord server with best apps, with best emojis, with best like other things. But that's everything what you need to do. So let's just get into it. For your all servers, and you will go down to add a server. Then it will gonna show up this small like pop out like window. So you're gonna click create my own, because these templates are not that good if you want to do like best Discord servers. So create my own. You're gonna show up another window. Tell us more about your server. If you want to be do for your friends, then click this. But we are doing tutorial for a club or a community. So let's just click that, and then we'll just gonna this will gonna name. So we're gonna create the launch. This will gonna be our server name, and we're gonna upload this Mario like image. But if you want, you can do differently, but I'm gonna do this Mario thingy. Yeah? So they can just click create. You're gonna load up, and you're gonna have your new server what you can customize. Yeah. So here up you can see the launch is right now loaded, so you can do anything with that. So first, don't do anything with these channels. We're gonna do that later. Click on your name of your server and click server settings. You're gonna show up this big settings, but you need to pay attention in this, because then you will gonna mess up and it will not gonna be that good. So in here you have your icon and name, but you will not gonna edit any of these. And then you have banner. I prefer to like change these, so you can you can do you can take any of these what you want, but I prefer to use this step here because it's like the cool like blue sky blue, so it's very good. So you're just gonna go down, and you're gonna see when you're gonna see description. How did your server get started? Why should people join? So tell the world a bit about the server. So you're gonna type anything about your server. So for example, my chatting community, the lounge. I'm gonna tell the kind chatting community and dot. So this is this is the like my description, like the most basic. But like for example, if your is like gaming, then you can do like gaming, playing Fortnite every day, or playing in voice chat with fans, or I don't know, anything what you want. Just tell something in description, so then when people will join, they will gonna see in your this box, they will gonna see your description. Then you're gonna click traits and 5 traits to show off your server interest and personality. So you don't actually need to edit these, but for example, if I just want to show you example, yeah. So I'm gonna click this emoji like is the most like perfect for this, and I will gonna click this innocent angel emoji. I'm gonna click it. Yeah, you can see this right in here, and I'm gonna type kind. Yeah. So now, if you're gonna see your prefer of your like your lounge server, then you see the kind. Yeah. So then when you've done that, you can do any of these. For example, you can do gaming, you can do like this video game, and you can do gaming, anything what you want, just edit it and mess with it so you just don't miss any of these best settings. So then you're gonna go down. You have this game. What games does your server play? Yeah, Discord is like most for the like gaming communities, but you can do any community what you want. Yeah, but I'm going in chat community, so I'm not gonna click any of these because like we're not playing any of this server in this server, for example. But if you want, like you can you can click just Roblox or Minecraft. Yeah, so you're gonna have it like, for example, I'm gonna click Minecraft, and you're gonna have like Minecraft on your community, and then I'm gonna click it back and it's not in there. So like if you're playing different games, then just tell it in there so people will know what you're playing in the channel. Then you have private profile. You're gonna enable this. It doesn't matter really. And when you done these all settings, you're gonna click save changes, and then you need to go right in here and you're gonna find rules. This rule, what you're gonna like you're gonna select someone to a rule. So if someone will be like support or owner or manager or helper, it's up to you what you're gonna do. But I'll just gonna create a rule like most basic. What is most basic? You need to delete this all, and you're gonna click and type owner. Yeah, so owner, yeah, you are owner, but it's like best like new for rule. So then a rule color, you're gonna click yellow because yellow is best. So if you have like this Wembus, it will gonna look like this. Yeah, so if you are dark mode, then it will gonna look pretty good, and in white mode it looks like this. Yeah, it's really good, and it's like with yellow, it does like owner is like your owner. Yeah, so everyone who will be in that server will know like oh, owner is chatting with us. Yeah, for example. Then you're gonna go down and you're gonna see display room members separately for online members. You're gonna click that and enable that. Then you're gonna click to the permissions, and you will just gonna like click all of these. And the last thing, we're gonna click manage members, and you're gonna add member, and you're gonna click your name, and you're gonna add them so you can see I'm in here, right? And it will gonna just I'm owner. So you're gonna click back, like you can see we have members. Is only one in a member. Then second rule, what you want to do, like it's more basic than two. You're gonna click and you're gonna do like you're gonna do like helper or manager, like this, like manager. It doesn't matter, like do any what you want, but like helper is using so much the servers, and it's like basic, but it's really good. Like everyone knows what you are. So you're gonna click this blue because like blue is best on a helper. It looks very good. Then you need to make sure to set every different color on different rule. Yeah, you can have like your like this yellow on your helper, but like it looks like different. Yeah, you need to like if you want to have it yellow too, then you can have. But like professionals have every time on every different rule have different color. What is true, and it's like best like these settings. So then you're gonna just display this same these permissions. Like actually you will not gonna set up all of these, but like you can just set some of these, like kick and bomb members and timeout members. These three are more, but in this video I'm not gonna waste our time, and I will gonna just set these three. Then you're gonna click manage members, and you don't actually didn't need to add any, because like in this server I'm only here. But if you will have some your friends, or you can set them to helper, or if they were gonna create application, so they want to be the helper, then it will just gonna like you're gonna just the application, and you're gonna set them. So let's just click save change. You don't need to add any player in here. And right now, when you're gonna go to when you're gonna go to the server settings again, we're gonna go to the rules. You can see you have owner and helper, and make sure owner is more up, because then owner can manage helpers. Yeah. So for example, if someone will be helper, like some of members will be helper, then owner can kick them. But if will be like this, then if helper will be someone, then owner can kick. No, helper can kick owner. What doesn't making sense. So make sure it's like this every time. Any bot can be up to the owner, because then maybe up can kick owner, but you don't want that. Yeah. So that's all. You're just gonna click exit, and last thing what we're gonna do is how to add the servers. Yeah. This is the important servers. So you want to create a channel, like, where you are gonna tell people new like installations or news. Yeah. So you're gonna this text channels. You're gonna edit this category, and you're gonna tell important. And you're gonna set the emoji. You're gonna type news, and you're gonna type this new, so like everyone know what is in here. So now you have this important new. This is like most basic. This will gonna be only category in my YouTube channel. We're gonna do this in a part, but this is more basic than other. This general, it will gonna look pretty good then. So just don't miss any like videos what I'm gonna do. But if you're watching this like older, then right now, if you're gonna minimize this video, then maybe right where you're gonna look, there will be like a channel or a category where all my steps. So check them like right in here, like this first part, and then second part and third part, because then you're gonna miss something important. So you're gonna just add this, and this general you can actually let them. I think so. We're gonna just delete it sometimes, but you're gonna click this create channel, or you can click this create channel. But when you have category, better this thing, and you're gonna click the text. You're gonna click and you're gonna type rules. So sorry. Yeah, like this rules, and you can add like emoji like this. So you're gonna have rule in here, rules, and you can actually paste any rule in here. I have this like most basic what you want. So the players will need to check them and read them. Yeah. So then when you're gonna type your all rules, you're just gonna click enter, and yeah, you can see it's all in here. So they will gonna need to read it. Then you're gonna go to the voice channels, and you will gonna click edit category, and you're gonna click and delete this, and type voices, and type voice, and you're gonna add this. So it looks pretty good, these categories. And yeah, that will be everything for this video. This is most basics, how to set up this like rules and these settings. This is like best settings, but how to set up the whole server will be in the next part. Then we're gonna do apps, we're gonna do better thingy, we're gonna do better conversation, then we're gonna do better voices. Everything will be in there. Just check it out. Check out my channel and subscribe so you don't miss anything, so you can have best Discord server. Like, don't worry, it will gonna be that much fast how I can, so it will gonna be fast. So see you later and lock in.